I was diagnosed in October of 2010 with breast cancer. I had a mammogram, and they detected it on the mammogram. And I had it, and they called me to come back. They wanted to do an ultrasound up at the hospital. So I went back the first of the week, and I had the ultrasound done. And they told me they were pretty sure that it was cancer. And I was just in shock. I couldn't hardly believe it. And so they decided to do a biopsy while I was there. And they were pretty sure then that it was, but they called me later, giving me the results of the biopsy. I talked with my gynecologist, Dr. Douglas, and he told me about the Navigator program, that I would probably want to get in touch with Dee about that. And so I can't remember if I called her or she called me. I don't exactly remember how that worked, but she did. We did get in touch with each other, and she is just a blessing. If I hadn't had her, I don't know what I would have done, because actually she's been through this in her life, and being a nurse too, and everything. She knew everything that was going on, and she's just such a blessing, because she could explain things that I didn't understand, and she could tell you what would be coming next, or what you should do next, or you know, she was just so informative. She knew what to do and what was happening, and she went to my doctor's appointments. She also came to my chemo appointments when I had to have chemo. She was there. She was on call. She gave me her cell phone number. I could call her anytime I wanted to. So she's very helpful. Well, when I lost my hair, or actually before I lost my hair, I knew I was going to. I came down to look for a wig. And there was also a lady that came, and I can't remember the name, they call it something, but they come and show you how to do makeup and things like that. I came over one morning and did that, and I've done that. I went to the Owls ball game that we had out there with the pink ladies. I'm trying to think what else. I know they have the Pink Ladies meeting here on Monday nights, and I need to start doing that. I haven't done that yet. But it's where you get a lot of good information, I'm sure, and people inspire you and all. But I've only been to the one outing there at the Owls ball game with them. Get in touch with Jamie or Dee first thing, and they can guide you wherever, tell you whatever they have, the resources they have available. They have books, they have magazines. I know Dee gave me a bunch of those to read up on what I would be going through and what to expect. The wig program is wonderful, because if you have chemo, you will lose your hair. I lost mine after 2 weeks, 2 treatments of chemo. I lost mine during Christmas holidays. That was really fun. But they can just tell you, well, they have the Pink Ladies program here on Monday nights. We're trying to think what else. You just need to get in touch with them, because that, to me, especially if you don't have family that can be there with you, they'll be there wherever you go to your appointments. If you need them to do something for you or help you, they're just always here. I can't imagine going through all that without somebody like that being with me.